Hello everyone, welcome back to the Pines renovation project update. Today we're on hole number 4 here on the Lakes course. Got a lot of really exciting things here that are happening on number 4. The first thing is our fairway bunker that was always on the right side of the fairway. It's still on the right side, but it's been moved in closer to the fairway and back a little bit so it's more in play for more players, and it really helps shape the hole on that right to left shape. Also, when you get up to the green, there used to be those two bunkers that were kind of a ways away from the green, but it split the fairway. We're keeping that split effect with the bluegrass rough area, and we've pushed 3 bunkers up closer to the green. One that's about 20 yards short, which is a really, really nice look, and then 2 pop bunkers that kind of protect both the right and the left side. We've also moved that left side bunker left of the green closer into the green, and we've really flattened out the back of the green, and it rolls off into a nice little short grass chipping area, which is going to be really, really cool. This hole's seen a lot of changes. It's going to be really fun to play. Really looking forward to getting out here this spring and playing here. So that's what you can expect next year on the Lakes, number 4 here at the Pines. Can't wait to see you.